Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I am okay.
Last week, we learned about division of a whole number by a fraction. And this week, we'll be learning about dividing a fraction by a fraction. We have some vocabularies here, so I'll be reading it. I want you to listen properly because later I will call you to read, okay? Let's start. Number 1, simplest form. Number 2, divide. Number 3, multiply. Number 4, reciprocal. Number 5, quotient. Number 6, mixed number. Number 7, convert. I'll read again. 1, simplest form. 2, divide. 3, multiply. 4, reciprocal. 5, quotient. 6, mixed number. 7, convert. Okay, so it's your turn to read. Look back.
Simple form, divide, multiply, reciprocal, quotient, mixed number, convert.
Very good. Thank you for reading. Next, Gao.
Simple form, divide, multiply, reciprocal, quotient, mixed number, convert.
Very good. Thank you. Next, Nam Nữa.
Simple form, divide, multiply, reciprocal, quotient, mixed number, convert.
Thank you. Very good. August.
Simple form, divide, multiply, reciprocal, quotient, mixed number,
Convert. Very good. Thank you. Oak.
Simple form, divide, multiply,
Reciprocal.
reciprocal,
Quotient.
quotient, mixed number,
Convert.
convert.
Very good. Thank you. Next, jump.
Simple form, divide, multiply, reciprocal, quotient, mixed number, convert.
Very good. Thank you. March.
Simple form, divide, multiply, reciprocal, quotient, mixed number, convert.
Very good. And last one is upper.
Simplest form, divide, multiply, reciprocal, quotient, mixed number, convert.
Very good. Thank you for reading. So that is our vocabulary. Now let's move on to our main topic. We have an example here of division of fractions. So we have 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 4. So we have some steps to follow when solving these fractions. First, we need to get the reciprocal of 1 over 4. So take note that when you are getting the reciprocal of fraction before solving, you need to get the reciprocal of the fraction on the right side only. Do you understand? So we have 1 over 2, and then we will change the symbol to multiplication. So times 4 over 1. Next step here, we'll solve this one. So we can use cancellation. We will cancel 2 and 4. 2 divided by 2 equals
1.
1. Very good. How about 4 divided by 2?
2.
2. Okay. So we cancel this number. 2 over 1 or 2, right? Because if the denominator of a fraction is 1, meaning the final answer will be a whole number. How many 1 over 4 are there in 1 over 2? The answer is 2. Example 2, we have 1 over 2 divided by 1 and 1 over 4. So first step here before solving is to convert the mixed number to improper fraction. We will write it as 1 over 2 divided by 5 over 4. Next here is to get the reciprocal of 5 over 4. What's the answer?
4 over 5.
Very good, Gao. So we have 1 over 2 times 4 over 5. So the final answer is 2 over 5. Next, for example 3, we have 2 mixed number. 2 and 3 over 5 divided by 3 and 2 over 3. First step here is to convert the mixed number to improper fraction. 5 times 2 plus 3. What's the answer?
13 over 5.
Very good. How about 3 and 2 over 3? 11 over 3. So we have 13 over 5 divided by 11 over 3. 13 over 5 times 3 over 11. 13 times 3 equals?
39.
39. Very good. How about 5 times 11?
55.
55. Very good. So our final answer here is 39 over 55. So let's move on to your activity, page 111 and 112. Let's move on to number 1, divide. Give each answer in its simplest form. Letter A, 4 over 5 divided by 1 over 10. What's your answer?
8 over 1.
8 over 1 or 8. What's your answer for letter B?
4 over 1.
4 over 1 or?
4.
4. Very good. Letter C. What is your answer?
6 over 2 or 3 over 1.
6 over 2 or 3 over 1
Over
or 3.
3.
Very good. Let's move on to page 112. Number 2, divide. So we have here A, 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 8. What is your answer?
2 over 1.
2 over 1 or 2. Very good. What's your answer for letter B?
9 over 1.
9 over 1 or 9. Very good. How about letter C? 14 over 1 or 14. Very good. And letter D? 4 over 11. Let's go to number 3. What's your answer for letter A?
21
21.
over 22.
Very good. 21 over 32. Letter B. The correct answer is 82 over 99. Let's move on to number 4. Letter A. What's your answer?
1 and 2 over 3.
1 and 2 over 3. Very good. How about letter B?
1 and 3 over 4.
So that's all for today. For our math activity, so we answered 2 pages. Thank you for joining the class, and I'll see you again on Friday. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.